Polar Bear here. We had fun at Waka Fizz. I got a black olive soda. Well, it was a mystery soda. It was really good. And we got a cucumber soda. Not sure about that, but Elon's Conservative said it's really good, and we're going to try it in a day or two. And I got this giant lollipop. My favorite is the lollipop. Little lollipop soda. They got lots of lollipop sodas, and Elon's Conservatives only bought me one bottle. They're going to change. But today we're going to pick a lock. Hey, from Brummy, one of my favorite people, because he sent me a sucker. It was so delicious. Thank you, Brummy. Okay, Polar Bear, yes, we're going to pick this little tiny master lock. And Polar Bear sized master lock. You are correct. So, get the tripod set down so we can see Polar Bear in the picture. You better let me be seen. Polar Bear, you're always seen. So yeah, when you don't know what flavor this is, and you drink it straight out of the bag, it's kind of got a buttery flavor to it. It's very smooth. Still doesn't taste like black olives. Or it's not briny. And I despise olives in any way, shape, or form. So if I like it, it's harmless. Of course, this thing's going to be camera shy. It should be opened already. But yeah, it's windy on the circle tonight. Late afternoon, early evening. Yeah, when I left work, the sun was out. When I was at lunch, it was kind of like this and threatening to rain. And it's just kind of changing minute by minute here. Yeah, I thought I had it there. But, yeah, we took a picture of Polar Bear with this whirly pop, and we're thinking about making it into a logo lock. But we may take a couple other photos just to make sure we get the right one. Because, there we got it. Yippee! My turn!